Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for privacy, peace, and tranquility with stunning mountain views? Well, come on over to Turner's, 4 Parts in Clarendon. This charming villa, perched on a hill with its very own private road, may be perfect for you. The main residence features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, a pool with a bar, a gazebo, a kitchen, a living room, dining room, a study, and a single car garage, spanning just over 2 acres. The property also includes a guest house with 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, a living room, kitchen, dining room, and a single car garage. This versatile property can serve as a vacation home, an Airbnb rental, or a venue for events such as weddings, pool parties, etc. Enjoy the luxury and privacy while being minutes away from major amenities. Don't miss out. Schedule your viewing now. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 700,000 or Jamaican $107.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.